Dogecoin, your favorite cryptocurrency, already having a correction like 12 hour. Like previous is already gained, right? A really big volume go up already, make it to the 0.2681 US dollar, and now having a correction, go to the yellow one here. Moving average 7 on the 0.2477 US dollar. If they go down again having correction and you want to enter the market, then you can enter the market on the moving average 99 on the 0.2142 US dollar. Right? For the next one is when we are looking on the Bollinger Band, also already break the upper band on the 0.2594 US dollar. If they go down again, go to the middle band on the 0.2305 US dollar. And if there is correction again, go getting lower and go to the lower band on the 0.2017 US dollar. It has to be attention if they break under 0.1 below. For the the daily chart basically is already having a correction, go down below the upper band on the 0.2568. If they go down this one, pink one, then you can enter slightly on the purple one here, 0.18 or below that point, right? For the moving average, also still above all of the moving average, but if there is correction, the first support should be at the 0.24 and next one is at the 0.22, right? Thank you everyone for watching this video. For the RSI stochastic, already in the little bit overbought position, going to the natural position. Thank you everyone. Bye.